Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to the second part of our lesson series in spoken Arabic. I am Mudaris Sulaiman Ali. Happy listening. Al-Hiwar, the conversation in Arabic. Al-Hiwar, the conversation or dialogue in Arabic. لعلك فهمت. I hope you understand. MashaAllah. واحد number one. ما بك يا خالد. ما بك يا خالد. ما بك, what is wrong with you? يا خالد, Khalid. ما بك, what is wrong with you? يا خالد, Khalid. Now the response. أنا مريض, I am sick. أنا مريض, I am sick. أنا مريض, I am sick. Remember, if you are asking a single male person, you should say ما بك, not ما بك. But if you are asking a single female person, you should say ما بك. ما بك for a male person and ما بك for a female person. السؤال. Now the question. ما بك يا خالد. الجواب. The answer. أنا مريض. السؤال. ما بك يا خالد. الجواب. أنا مريض. السؤال. ما بك يا خالد. الجواب. أنا مريض. لعلك فهمت. I hope you understand. ما شاء الله. اثنان number two. ما بك يا زينب. أنا مريضة. ما بك يا زينب. أنا مريضة. ما بك, what is wrong with you? يا زينب, زينب. أنا مريضة, I am sick. ما بك, what is wrong with you? يا زينب, زينب. أنا مريضة, I am sick. السؤال. ما بك يا زينب. الجواب. أنا مريضة. السؤال. ما بك يا زينب. الجواب. أنا مريضة. لعلك فهمت. I hope you understand the differences. To a male person, ما بك, and to a female person, ما بك. I hope you understand. ما شاء الله. أربعة number four. ما بك يا أخي. أنا جوعان. ما بك يا أخي. أنا جوعان. ما بك, what is wrong with you? يا أخي, my brother. أنا جوعان, I am hungry. ما بك, what is wrong with you? يا أخي, my brother. أنا جوعان, I am hungry. ما بك, what is wrong with you? يا أخي, my brother. أنا جوعان, I am hungry. السؤال. ما بك يا أخي. الجواب. أنا جوعان. السؤال. ما بك يا أخي. الجواب. أنا جوعان. لعلك فهمت. I hope you understand. ما شاء الله. خمسة number five. ما بك يا أختي. أنا جوعان. ما بك يا أختي. أنا جوعان. ما بك, what is wrong with you? يا أختي, my sister. أنا جوعان, I am hungry. So a male person should say أنا جوعان. أنا جوعان. While a female person should say أنا جوعان. أنا جوعان. I hope you understand. ما شاء الله. ما بك, what is wrong with you? يا أختي, my sister. أنا جوعان, I am hungry. ما بك, what is wrong with you? يا أختي, my sister. أنا جوعان, I am hungry. أنا جوعان. أنا جوعان, I am hungry. السؤال. ما بك يا أختي. الجواب. أنا جوعان. السؤال. ما بك يا أختي. الجواب. أنا جوعان. لعلك فهمت. I hope you understand. ما شاء الله. ستة number six. ما بك يا خالد. أنا عطشان. ما بك يا خالد. أنا عطشان. ما بك, what is wrong with you? يا خالد, خالد. Now the response. Ana atishan. I am thirsty, meaning I am hungry for water. I am hungry for drinking water. I am hungry for water, not food. Mabik, what is wrong with you? Ya Khalid. Now the response. Ana atishan. Ana atishan. Ana atishan. I am thirsty. Mabik, what is wrong with you? Ya Khalid. Ana atishan. I am thirsty. As-su'al. Mabika ya Khalid. Al-jawab. Ana atishan. As-su'al. Mabika ya Khalid. Al-jawab. Ana atishan. لعلك فهمت. I hope you understand. MashaAllah. Sitta. Number 6. ما بك يا زينب. أنا عطشة. ما بك يا زينب. أنا عطشة. ما بك. What is wrong with you? يا زينب. Now the response. أنا عطشة. I am thirsty. Remember to say أنا عطشان. أنا عطشان. If you are a single male person. Atishan is for a male person, while Atisha is for a female person. I repeat, Atishan is for a male person. So if you are a male person, you should say, Ana Atishan, I am thirsty. And if you are a female person, you should say, Atisha, I am thirsty. I hope you understand the differences. Mabik, what is wrong with you? Ya Zainab. Now the response. Ana Atisha, I am thirsty. As-su'al. Ma biki ya Zainab. Al-jawab. Ana Atisha. As-su'al. Ma biki ya Zainab. Al-jawab. Ana Atisha. لعلك فهمت. I hope you understand. MashaAllah. سبحانك اللهم وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. Make sure to visit our online store to buy a copy of our ebooks, which comprises of video clips and PDF file via the link below, right there at the comment section. Like the video, share it, and hit the subscribe button below. Ma'as-salama wa ila liqa'in akhar. Do you know that you can actually learn to speak Arabic fluently and understand the noble Quran directly in Arabic, all from the comfort of your home? At Markazul Ulumi wal Hikmah Remote Study, we make it easy for you to master Arabic and the Quran, no matter how busy your schedule is. What makes us different? Flexible learning. Study at your convenience. Just 3 courses per term. No time or location restrictions. Don't miss this golden opportunity. Enroll in our Arabic and Quran online classes today. It is never too late for you to learn how to read the noble Quran fluently. With our intensive 2-month training, you will be able to read any page of the noble Quran with confidence and competence. At Markazul Ulumi wal Hikmah, we welcome new students to our Quran reading virtual classes. Learn at your own pace, suitable for all schedules. Every letter that you recite from the noble Quran earns you 10 reward from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Take the first step towards your Quranic journey today. We look forward to having you in class. May Allah bless your learning journey. To be part of the class, send us the message, I am interested in your Quran and Arabic online classes via WhatsApp to get started with our live sessions. +234 81 41 52 27 82. I take it again. +234 81 41 52 27 82. And to access our regulated courses in Arabic, which comprise of videos and PDF file, check out our digital library link below, right there at the comment section. Markazul Ulumi wal Hikmah Remote Study, empowering the Ummah through knowledge. Ma'as-salama وإلى اللقاء آخر.